Hi! In our previous videos of major scale versus major pentatonic scale, we've been able to cover up the first position, the second position, and the third position. The first position, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. The second position, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. The third position, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. And how to link up the first position and the second position. Re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol. I'm playing around the second position. Then before going back to the first position, do, sol, mi, re, do. Then I had to link up the second position and the third position using the first position. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. I'm playing around the second position. As you can see, I'm playing around the second position before going to the third position. Do. Now on the third position, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol. Playing around the third position. Then before going to the second position, then playing around the second position before going to the first position. Now going to the first position, la, sol, mi, re. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching on how to fish out the major pentatonic scale from the major scale by detaching T and Fa notes from the fourth position. Here is our major scale on the fourth position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. La, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. It is time to fish out the major pentatonic scale from the major scale by detaching T and Fa notes from the major scale on the fourth position. Our root, like I said, on G. Here is our first note on the third fret of the sixth string. Do. The second note, re. On the fifth fret, mi. Here is mi on the seventh fret, fa, sol. So here we have mi, fa, sol. I'll be detaching Fa from this position, mi, fa, sol. Detaching Fa here, arriving at mi, sol, mi, sol. So we are now on the fourth position. On this fourth position, there are two notes on this fourth position, sol, la, sol, la. There's no note here to detach. Sol, la. There's no note to detach. Now let's proceed to the next string, which is the fifth string or A string. On this fifth string, we have three notes here. The major scale here is Ti, Do, Re. Ti, Do, Re is the major scale on this fifth string. Ti, Do, Re. So we are going to detach T from this Ti, Do, Re. We are detaching T here. T has been detached. We now have Do, Re. Having what? Do, Re, sol, la, do, re. Let's proceed to the next string, which is the fourth string or this string. The major scale here, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol. So we are detaching the fa from the major scale here. We are detaching the fa from the 10th fret. Mi, so now having mi, sol, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol. The next string, which is a G string or string 3, the major scale here is la, ti, do, la, ti, do, la, ti, do. So we are detaching the T from the 11th fret. The T from the 11th fret, la, do. Now let's proceed to the next string, which is the 2nd string. The major scale here is re, mi, fa, re, mi, fa, re, mi, fa. So we are detaching the fa from the major scale here. We now have re, mi. Let's proceed to the next string, which is the 4th string. The major scale here is sol, la, sol, la. So actually there is no note to detach from this 4th string. One more time from the beginning. Do. On the 3rd fret, do. On the 3rd fret, re. On the 5th fret, mi. 7th fret, so 10th fret, la. 12th fret, do. 10th fret, re. 12th fret, mi. 9th fret, so. 12th fret, la. 9th fret, do. 12th fret, re. 10th fret, mi. 12th fret, so. 10th fret, la. 12th fret. So it's time to descend the notes. The same manner we ascended the notes, the same manner or the same pattern we descend the note by going up. Starting from the high E string, la, sol. The next string, mi, re, mi, re. The next string, do, la. The next string, so, mi. Do, la. So, mi. Next string, re, do. Next string, la, sol, mi. Heading towards the roots, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, sol, la, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. I have an assignment for you. Your assignment, as usual, to study the finger movement and finger pattern of this 4th position and apply the same method on every key that's on the 6th string. For example, here is key G. I'm going to apply the same pattern on key A. On the 5th fret, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, re, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Another example on key F. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Another example on F sharp. Do, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video of fifth position.